Yo, wanted to go over my trade today. SPCE was the first one I traded. I also traded this yesterday, and it was still looking good. This is the daily on it, and it was still looking good. Gapped up pre-market, looking real nice. I was expecting maybe a move up to the 20 area, which we got close to actually. And this was pre-market. Looked extremely bullish. And this consolidation was key right here too later on above VWAP and everything. Also put in these lines. This was the open of the day and this is the close of yesterday. Want to always keep those in mind. I'm gonna keep that always as reference points because they're key areas on all stocks, all trades that I take usually. And this what got me out the gate interested in this. Flush right at open and got right back up. Got bought right back up over this key area also. Over VWAP, and then on this pullback I got in. And also what I started doing is putting a bunch of sort of wish orders in, 100 shares at certain levels. And when it does dip, they'll get hit like at 1906. I think I put one in 1885, and then down here 1870-ish. And all of them got hit. Went under VWAP for a second, got right back up. That also gave me a good indicator that it was going up, and boom, shot up almost to the $20 mark up in here. Sold most of my shares up here and up here, and 45 I think was my last exit. So overall, real good trade. Went up $163, $64 on it. On I think it was 400 shares in the end, which was amazing. And I let that one ride after that, seeing what it did. Wasn't really paying attention to it. Went over to pins. Pins, I been keeping track of for a couple of days now, and the daily got me a little interested on this. Couple red days in a row, and I was feeling this was going to be a red day today too, and also in volume and everything. What got me excited, I didn't trade this right out to open, but throughout the day I figured these are some key levels right here. Yesterday's close, and then that day's open, yesterday's open also, which is $23, which is also key. And I was watching this up in here, and I was getting in. I think I got 300 shares in total, short, up in here. I like these pops. I felt like this was just artificial parabolic move up that shouldn't have really happened. Got close to $23, which was huge resistance. Also, this was resistance pretty decent too up in here. And that's what got me interested. And I've been trying to work on adding like a core area right here. This was kind of like an ABCD pattern, but with A, with the B, the C, and the D, and the D just didn't go up like it was supposed to. And I was watching level 2 at 22.90, 93 actually. You can see a triple top right here. Somebody was just selling a lot of shares. A lot of shares. Like I would see time and sales go all green, but this thing wouldn't move much, and it would just fucking go right under. So I was like, okay, got my average up in here somewhere. 22, 87, 88. I think I got an average, 300 shares, and boom. When this happened, I sold half, and then up in here, I think I chickened out after all this consolidation. I didn't. I sold the rest right in here. I seen this. I had my last buy order to cover at like 22.50ish, but I seen this, took it off and made it even lower to like 22.45. But I think I chickened out up in here somewhere. Overall, amazing trade. Went up 80 bucks. I think I had 300 shares. I made this line up in here, and I kind of followed that too. I didn't cover into this pop. Thank God. I was gonna cover close to like 23 bucks. That was my stop, which I think was amazing. Should have kept it all day and let it fade, but I don't know, I was kind of anxious a little bit. Wanted to take profits. Then, what really broke me was I tried to long SPCE again into the close. And this was my reasoning behind it. This was the move I was watching up in here. And consolidation went under VWAP, recovered right here. Shot up with volume, was flagging a little bit right here. I got in all in here, went 400 shares deep. Then I got another 100 shares up in here, and I had a decent average too, like a 1909 average, 1907 average, and I was hoping for a shot up to like up in here somewhere at least to like this 1980 area, maybe the high, maybe even 20. But this was happening. And as soon as this happened, I was getting excited a little bit. I was like, okay, I'm in a little bit of profit, this and that, and then boom, before I could even react, shit was down, and I covered up in here. I waited for this little rebound. I kind of figured maybe these long wicks right here could do something, but it was under my this line too. I don't know. I just didn't want to risk it. Ended up giving back almost all my profits, and ended up being up only $17. So overall, positive $97 instead of like 250. But lesson learned: when I'm already up, I went way too big. I had 500 shares. I made this money with 400 shares, I believe, and I went 500 shares deep into the PM. I don't know why I did that. I don't know. I felt like I had a good average at 19. It was also consolidating above 19, which I liked a lot. I felt like 19 was kind of like a key area. You can see it topped out right here, and then right after that is this consolidation and everything. But lesson learned, man. When I'm already up, don't give back profits. Go a lot smaller size. Feel it out. I still feel like this is kind of bullish, but you never know. I don't know. I'm just got my emotions in it now. Ain't feeling it no more. I don't know. It feels like revenge trading now with no edge. So I'm just gonna chill. Tomorrow's another day. Green is green though. 2 days profitable. Actually, I think 3 days. 3 days in a row profitable, which is amazing. Gotta stay green. Gotta stay focused. Go smaller when I'm already up. And that's it. Lesson learned. Peace.